Target practice with Taiwan's latest domestically produced combat rifle, to be rolled out in the tens of thousands as the country modernizes its military in the face of rising threats from China.
主要是在这一把新的枪，它缓冲力比较减缓，然后再来它在精度上也比较提升的比较高，然后再来就是它可以依照我们的人体工学的部分，在前握把及后握把的部分都可以依照个人的时需就来做一个调整。然后我们也在这个脚架上，我们也可以做一个地形的一个变化来做使用这个脚架的部分。
It's going to replace a service rifle that's been in use for nearly 20 years. The updated weapon is meant to be more reliable, more durable and more accurate than its predecessor. The T112 was designed and developed here for the Ministry of National Defence's 205th Armoury in southern Taiwan, one of the largest weapons factories in the country. Most of Taiwan's smaller weapons are produced here, and this latest rifle is costing the country more than $250 million. This is just a small part of the $20 billion Taiwan has allocated to spend on defence. The amount recently raised as the country looks to counter increasing aggression from China, which claims Taiwan as part of its territory.
逆进入金门禁限制水域，严重破坏区域和平稳定。
Taipei has also lengthened conscription. The country is pursuing what's known as asymmetric warfare, strategically using weapons and other tactics that could help it ward off a foe that outguns and outmans it.
最重要还是我们说过的不对称的武器，如飞弹啦，或者是其他的无人机这些部分。那只是说这个 rifle 这个个人武器，也就是逐渐的渐进式的增加改善。
This rifle may soon be used by thousands of young Taiwanese as they enroll in mandatory military service. It's hoped that the new design will allow those conscripts to train more effectively and more quickly, preparing them for an eventuality when they might be called up to take up arms in defence of their country. Luffy Lee and Glauert in Kaohsiung for TaiwanPlus.